Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Kids Learning. Today we will learn about 50 vocabulary words for kids with English and Urdu meaning and example. वीडियो को लगातार देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मेरे वीडियोस को लाइक करें और शेयर करें. Again, दोबारा. She want to prove that she can do it again. All, सब. All men are equal. Alone, अकेला. I feel good to live alone in my house. Air, हवा. Air is clean and fresh on mountain top. Already, पहले से. The boss has already decided to fire him from the job. Always, हमेशा. We always plan to visit Karachi every Sunday. Angry, गुस्से में. The dog got angry when the boy threw stone at him. Question, सवाल. I ask a lot of questions from my friend. Solve, हल करना. My friend solved all the questions of math. Ill, बीमार. My mother has been ill for the last 3 days. Walk, सैर करना. She goes for a walk every day in the morning. Healthy, सेहतमंद. My friend baby is very healthy. Why? Appear, ज़ाहिर होना. She suddenly appeared in the morning. Apple, सेब. Apple is a healthy fruit for us. Down, नीचे. A hungry cat is sitting down the stairs. Excited, पुरजोश. He was excited to hear the good news. Art, fun. Singing is also same kind of great art. Pain, dard. I hit him on his head and he started to pain. Leave, छोड़ना. Asim gave a paw to his friend. Not I. Leave him alone. Ready, तैयार होना. I am always ready for every storm. Help, मदद करना. A rich man has decided to help the needy and poor people. Travel, सफ़र करना. During travel, mobile phone should not be used. Today I will go to meet my best friend in the town. Go away, otherwise I will call the police. Many, बहुत सारे. I see many people on the roof. Hide, छुपना. She hid the box in the hospital. Needle, सुई. I have many needles. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद है तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.